Today we are hitting up one of our favourite Adelaide hikes, only about 20 minutes from the Adelaide CBD. We're at the Shepherd's Hill Recreation Park and we're going to do this hike with a bit of a twist. It's been raining for about 5 days straight here in Adelaide and the trails are pretty wet. As promised, today we are doing the Shepherd's Hill Recreation Park and the Watiparinga Floral Reserve with a twist. We're not going to head up the standard trail, we're going to divert onto this little beauty. And we're going to go check out the old Blair Railway Tunnel. Let's do it. So we just got to one of my favourite little walks or hikes, Kirky boy, and unfortunately it's just a little bit flooded.
It's a river, it's not flooded.
Look how many people there are. It's great. We need to join this group.
I know, I feel like we're a part of something now.
See all these amazing people.
Wave to the camera.
Everybody wave. Hello all. Some got into it, some didn't.
Morning everyone.
Videoing put on YouTube. You're all famous. My feet are absolutely saturated.
Need some new boots, mate.
Yeah, some new Kathmandu hiking boots maybe. That was the Shepherd's Hill Recreation Park and Watiparinga Floral Reserve hike with a bit of a twist. An absolute perfect hike for people of all fitness levels. Not too much up and down and some beautiful scenery, especially with the amount of water we've had here in Adelaide. So get out here and check it out. Thanks for watching. Boom.